Hello guys, this is Poram and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Welcome back to my channel and we are going to do my eyebrow routine today. If you want the easiest eyebrow tutorial, then this is the right video you have clicked on, and without wasting time, let's get started. So yeah, here we are, and all you need is a cross angular brush. This brush is optional. And for filling your eyebrows, all you need is any brown eyeshadow, which has to be matte. That's the only condition which can fill up your eyebrows and does not look unnatural. So for me, the color is a darker brown and a lighter brown. So I have this kit from Sephora and it has a beautiful eyebrow palette right here. My majority colors are these two. So the first thing is I'll just brush up all the hair of my eyebrows, and that's when your eyebrows are ready to fill in. So now I'll start with the darkest brown shade in the palette. So the first step which I follow is I outline my eyebrows and then I fill it in gradually. And now a little bit of the lower part and end it gently. Now the same darkest brown color will go in the eyebrows to fill up all the gaps which we have. I'm going to go for a lighter shade there because if you see, we have a lighter tone eyebrows in the front. I'm going to fill in the eyebrows here and very light-handedly tilt my brush straight, and I'm going to give feather strokes. That's it. And after this, all I do is just give a little bit of brushing towards the start of my eyebrows so that it is not very stark and we have a beautiful natural eyebrow going on. So if you want to see the difference, you can check it out. So here I have one little small step. This is entirely optional. So I follow this step only when I'm going out for a longer while, not in my daily basis. I set my eyebrows with the eyebrow gel by Essence, and I just set this entire eyebrow with the gel. All the tiny little hair which pops out here and there from the eyebrows will sit with this and will not move. So I'll quickly finish my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. So this was my eyebrow routine, but if you want to go for a little bit of Instagram like, what you have to do is just clean up your eyebrows from the bottom and the upper side with the help of a concealer. So just for the video, I'll do that as well. Using here is the MAC NC35 Studio Fix Concealer and a tiny little brush. Here you can just use your finger and smudge this, or else you can smudge it with another brush as well. So this is it guys. I hope that you like this video. If you like, do not forget to hit the like button and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.